I'm gonna put the people in one pepper clay in my house.
And if you want to do this, you have to put the pepper clay like around it or one side because or else it would be tilted. It's fine.
Ah,
Don't you love the sound of Easter, Angela?
yeah.
Easter is the fun time ever. I think that's enough now.
I think I want some more pepper. And it's done.
And almost
That's all.
wow, it's beautiful. Here, use these. Here, use some chips. I don't like it so far. I'm gonna put
this little chicken
this one
side.
here.
And plus I got, now I
These
got
chicks remind me of the book, this book, and it had a picture of this bird. It was gray, and its head was like tilted, and its foot was up. It looks cute, and it was like looking at me.
I'm gonna take this pink.
How about a blue? How about a blue one? Don't you want to give presents?
Oh yeah, I was gonna use the blue. Anyways, I'm gonna use it.
I'm gonna use this one.
I'm gonna use this one. This one I can fit.
Or make one for our mom and for our grandma.
I just love my pink.
First, we're gonna make one for grandma.
I'm gonna first
Let's make this one together.
Okay. I'm gonna put this one.
We're just gonna add two in.
First that one.
Let me try.
Ah!
We did this we made this for our mom. We had 3 chicks.
Now we're done.
Oh,
Use
I
the
know.
clay.
Yeah, let's put the clay in. I know, let's add one more. So our daddy can be in. I love nature so much. See, we put a whole family. 4. First one is daddy, next is mommy, next is me, and next is Angela.
Push my cheeks again.
Okay. That's cup comes with a special plate, and this is one for my sister, one for me.
That I made.
Yes, and this is for my his godmother, and this is for my godmother, and this is Angela's godmother, and this is the one that
We made for our dad.
yeah, we made that. That's for our dad, and this one is for our grandma. So now you see all what we have. We got yellow, we got pink, we got flowers, we got blue, we got yellow, we got purple, and more flowers. I could look at these flowers all day. Oh yeah.
And I see that and his bicycle.
Okay. Did you know our mom's favorite flower is called a peony? And we have a peony and it's purple and yellow. Right here. This is what peonies look like.
And
Aren't
my
they
mom
gorgeous?
grew it.
Let's
And she also has other plants too.
let's smell it.
And this is our garden.
Let's smell it. It smells very nice. It smells like lemon. Lemon mixed with a very beautiful texture.
Yeah. Is that an Orby?
We hope you like our flower decorations. You can give these flowers to anybody you want. Right, Angela?
Yeah. I love this kind of
thank you for supporting us. Now we got more subscribers
And we
now.
and we thank you for subscribing us for our channel. So
Yes, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.